Yesterday, one of my friends was asking me, how are you so consistent with posting on Facebook every single day? Because he also tries to post regularly, but he always forgets or get busy with some another work. And I told him my little secret that I don't post manually. All of my Facebook posts go up automatically every single day thanks to this automation which I have created. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can schedule your post automatically on Facebook every day without lifting even a single finger. So to do this, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. After you open the landing page of Pabbly Connect, you're going to see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up for free. So if you're a new user, click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you will be allowed to post 100 posts on Facebook approximately. Alright, but I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on this button which says sign in. Once we click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps and over we're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we're going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So let's click on this access now. Once we click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Connect account. So to get started, click on this create workflow. It is asking me to select the workflow builder, so the new one or the classic one. New workflow builder is modern, faster and flexible, while the classic one is stable and has a familiar approach. So I'm going to select this new workflow builder, enter the workflow name and select the folder in which I want to save my workflow. If you want to create a new folder, go on this create new folder button and create your own. After entering the workflow name and selecting the folder, let's click on this create, and once we click on this create, our workflow is going to open. And once we click on this create, this most important window for automation is going to open, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. Now what I want to schedule this workflow every day because I want to post on my Facebook page every day. So I'm going to schedule this workflow. For that, I'm going to select the trigger as schedule by Pabbly. For the event, I'm going to select it as schedule workflow and click on this connect. Now it is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So I'm going to select it as every day. Now for the time, I'm going to select the time right over here as 12 p.m. So let's select the time by clicking on this, and now I'm going to select the time as 12 p.m. and then I'm going to click on this save. Once I'm going to click on this save, this workflow is scheduled for every day 12 p.m. Now what I want is I want to post on my Facebook, and to generate the post caption and the image, I'm going to use an AI tool which is OpenAI. So let's click on this add new action step. For the action application, let's search for OpenAI. So I'm going to use OpenAI to generate the caption and the images. You can use any another AI tool like Gemini, Perplexity. Pabbly supports most of them. So let's select it. Now for the event, we have to select it as ChatGPT because first I'm just going to generate the caption, then we're going to move in forward and generate the image. Click on this connect over here if you have already created a connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. Click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection. It is asking me for the token. So to get this token, click on this hyperlink given right over here, which is going to take you to your API key page. Now log in inside this, and after you log in, you have to click on this create new secret key. It is asking you for the key name and the project. So enter the key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created, so copy this key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After pasting this key, click on this save and your OpenAI account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me to select the AI model, so I'm just going to select the AI model as GPT-5, and over here you have to make sure that you have a paid OpenAI account in order to create this amazing automation. Now I'm going to select the AI model as GPT-5. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the prompt, so I'm going to enter my prompt, which is you are a social media content creator for natural glow skincare. So as you can see, I've mentioned everything about my brand. I've entered the knowledge base and the caption I wish to generate every day. After entering this prompt, just click on this save and send test request. Once we click on this save and send test request, OpenAI is going to generate me the caption and give it to me right over here as the response. So you just have to wait for a few seconds till OpenAI is generating the caption. So over here you have to keep the prompt according to your own business. Alright, so as you can see, we have received the response, and over here in this message content we have received this caption, and now using this caption I'm going to generate the image too. flow. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close this, and now I'm going to click on this add new action step. Once again, for the action application, I'm just going to search for OpenAI and select it. But this time, to generate the image, I'm going to select the event as generate image DALL-E and click on this connect. We have recently connected our OpenAI account, so let's click on this select existing connection and then save. Now we have to select the model, we have to enter the prompt using which we have to generate the image. Now it is asking me for the number of the image to be generated. I'm going to keep it as 1. It is asking me for the size, so I'm going to select the preferred size and the quality. Now it is asking me for the styles. If you wish, you can definitely select some styles, but I have mentioned that in prompt only, so I'm going to leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. Once we click on this save and send test request, once again OpenAI is going to generate me the image and give it to me right over here as the response. And further, using the same image and the caption, we're going to create a Facebook page post. So we just have to wait for a few seconds till OpenAI is going to generate me the image. And as you can see, that successfully generated me the image, and over here is the image. So let's copy this URL and I'm going to open this in a new tab in order to check that how the image is looking. So as you can see that this is the image which OpenAI has generated, and I'm going to post this same image on my Facebook page. So first of all, let's wait for a few seconds till this image is getting loaded completely, and as you can see that this is the image. So let's post it on our Facebook. Let's close this, and now we have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for Facebook. So let's search for Facebook and select Facebook pages. Make sure you select Facebook pages. Now we have to move on further. For the event, we have to select it as create page photo post. Alright, now let's click on this connect. If you have already created a connection between Facebook and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook pages. After we click on this connect with Facebook pages, first of all, make sure that you have logged in your Facebook account before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then only you're going to get the option to click on this continue. So once you get this option to click on this continue, simply click on this continue as Jessie, and your Facebook account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Jessie was the name of my Facebook account. Over here, the name of your Facebook account will be entered. Now you have to select the page on which you want to post this. So I'm going to select my page, which is Natural Glow Skincare. After selecting the page, it is asking me for the photo URL and the description. So yes, we have generated the photo and the description, so simply enter that. But we are not going to enter it manually by pasting the URL like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So that's the reason why we do mapping, so that this photo URL and description can change with every new response. Because every day at 12 p.m. this workflow is going to run. OpenAI is going to generate a new image and a new caption, and we want to post the new image and the new caption on our Facebook page. So that's the reason we have mapped both of these fields, and now we're going to click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully posted this on our Facebook. Alright, so let's open our Facebook and we're going to refresh this Facebook page in order to check for the new post posted. And you're going to see the new post has been posted. You're going to see the image is exactly the same and the caption is also exactly the same. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow, and now every day at 12 p.m. this workflow is going to run. For the OpenAI is going to generate the description and the image, and we're going to post it on our Facebook page. And all of this is going to happen in backend without any manual intervention. So like this, you can also stay consistent and post on your Facebook page automatically and daily. That too without any tension of leaving some work or forgetting to post. And when you post on your social media platforms daily, audience engagement is increased, and this can convert your leads into your customers too. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'm just going to attach the workflow link of my workflow in the description box below. You can check out my prompts and create this for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.